So let's check out the Mantiz laptop stand. As you can see guys, it's very portable. It fits in the palm of my hand, so if you want to put this on your pocket, it will fit. Alright, so let's unfold this. And this is made out of aluminum, which is very nice quality there. And let's count how many folds we can do. Unfold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so I think that's it. Okay, and let's put some pressure over here. Let's see if it's not going to bend. So it's bending a little bit, but not that, it's not too bending. Alright, we also have 4 rubber pads to prevent sliding. Okay, and over here guys, we also have that rubber pad, to prevent sliding for your laptop. And you can fit in a 13-inch laptop here, or even a 14, I guess. And of course, if you want to put in your iPad, you can also do that. See, if you want to draw something, you can do that. That would be great. So let's fold this. Let's see how quickly we can fold it. All right, there you go, right there. And that's it. Alright guys, so this is without the laptop stand. So I am operating this way, so it's not really centered to my eyes. With the Mantiz laptop stand, I'm using a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and this is now my eye level with the laptop. As you can see now, it's much more higher, and I have more space for air to come into my laptop. And when I'm typing, it's a little much comfortable than just using the table without any stand, which is great. And as you can see guys, it's much more higher and it's sturdy. And as you can see, the quality of the stand is aluminum, so you won't worry that it will just break or bend, which is great. So that's it for the Mantiz laptop stand. As you can see guys, this is very foldable, and if you're interested on getting this product, check the link in the description box. Again guys, my name is hans.vgd, and for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.